first grade, it is time for some math. I hope that you watched my other video where I was recording my voice over my screen and showing you playing with the shapes. Before you guys start your seesaw activity, I want to show you some things that you're going to need to know on your tablet to do it, okay? You guys are going to do a great job with this. So I'm on Seesaw here in Mrs. Anger's first grade class on my school tablet, and I'm going to click here. I see that Mrs. Angers has posted some shapes, and you know, if you guys click on the little play button here, it'll always give you whatever it was that I said.
Hi, first grade. If you click here, you can see some shape math tools.
So that's the shape math tools. So now I'm going to click on these shape math tools, and it's going to bring me to a website page that has the shape math tools there. Now I can click, on the tools to put them on my page. And then if I want to move them around, I just move them with my finger. And if I want to touch the top on that little, the glare in here is really bad. I can touch the little turny part and move and turn them just like that. For part of the seesaw activity, it asks you to make some shapes. So I can click here where I see the pictures of the shapes and scroll through them and find the one I'm supposed to make and click on it and it'll come up on my page. Now when I first did this, I noticed that my turtle was like way off my page and I couldn't build him all the way. So I went up here to these three little dots and I clicked on them. And then I looked where it says zoom and there's some numbers, and I clicked the minus sign until I could see my turtle all the way. And then I just click back here to go to that page. So I'm going to build my turtle. I see that his head kind of looks like it's the shape of a hexagon. So I'm going to put a hexagon there. And then I would keep pulling shapes and building him, right? Then when I'm all done, what I want to do so I can share my picture on Seesaw is I'm going to take a screenshot. That just means a picture of your screen. So on my school tablet, on the side, there are some buttons here. And to take a screenshot, I need to press this button on the top and then the bottom part of this long button at the same time. So I'm going to press them together. 1, 2, 3. I press them at the same time, and then now I look in the bottom of my page, it says that I took a screenshot. So that means I have a picture of my picture that I was working on. So if I want to go back to Seesaw, I'm going to click down here at the Seesaw button. If I want to get back to my shape blocks, I'm going to click here where the internet button is. So I'm going to click on the Seesaw button down here. So it'll bring me back to my Seesaw page, and I want to add my turtle to my activity. So I'm going to go where it says activities, and I see that it has math building with shapes. I can read the directions here if I want to hear them. I don't think I recorded directions, but I'll add some later. And I'm going to click add because I want to add a response. So now it's coming, and I'm looking at the different pages because I built the turtle. Oh, here's where it says turtle. It says build the turtle. Now I want to add my screenshot that I took of my turtle, right? So I'm going to click on the picture button. And if I click on the camera again, that's to take a picture, but I don't want to take a picture. I want to add the picture that I already have. So I'm going to click that little cloud with the arrow. It says upload. I'm going to click right here. And then now I can see all the screenshots that I've taken when I was playing with my turtle. So I can click on the picture that I want, and it's right there. It pops up right in my Seesaw. And then I can make it bigger or smaller. I can turn it if I need to, however I want to put it, so I can show my teacher my turtle that I worked on. Okay, now maybe I want to go to the next part of my assignment and see what's next. Oh, it says how many different ways can you build a hexagon? So I want to use different shapes to build a hexagon. So I'm going to go at the bottom of my page. I'm not going to close Seesaw. and I'm going to click this colorful circle for Chrome, that's the internet. And now I want to make a new picture because I want to build a hexagon. So in this bottom corner here, there's these arrows, and I'm going to click on it. And it says, do I want to start over? And I'm going to say yes. I want to clear that picture and start a new one. So now I can try to build some hexagons. So I'm going to use 2 trapezoids to build my hexagon. See how I can move them and turn them. Maybe I'm going to try some rhombuses and triangles. Turning my shapes. Oh my goodness. Okay, I built my hexagons. Now I need to take another screenshot, another picture, so that I can share my picture. So again, I'm going to go to the side of my tablet. I'm going to hit that top button and this bottom one at the same time. Click. And look, if you took if you took the picture, at the bottom it'll show that you have a screenshot. So now I can click back on Seesaw. It didn't go anywhere. Look, my turtle is still there. I go to my other page and I'm going to go to add photo, upload, and there's my hexagons that I was making. So now I can add those to my page. So I'm going to go through and make all of the shapes. When I'm all done, I'm going to add the check. I'm going to click on the check mark there so I can turn it in. The last page says, did you build anything else? So maybe I want to go back on that button there and I just want to play with the shapes and build a cool picture, and I want to take a screenshot and share it with Mrs. Angers. I can do that too. Okay, first grade, I hope that helped a little bit. I'm sorry, it's really hard to show you a tablet because it's so bright and I'm on my computer screen. Please make sure that you guys watch this video and the other first video that I posted with my screen where I'm talking, okay? Have fun playing with shapes today.